woke up and I just got to my new house or room, and I want to tour you guys, but this is only a small room. I want to show it anyway to you guys. So this is the sala set. This is the sala. This is the only room. So as you can notice, magulo pa siya. And ito, and this one, so it's a little bit cluttered because I just got here. So this one, you'll notice there's like a yoga mat where I bought from SM. It's actually buy one take one. So yeah. Ta-da! Travel mat. And then it's a travel mat or a yoga mat, whatever you call it. You can use it also for yoga. So it's a 2-in-1 purpose. So yan, magaling pa siya. And so this is a fan that I bought. It's enough to cool the room. The room is somewhat cool already, so this fan makes it cooler. Okay, and let me show you guys. So this, so it's still clutter. So this is the. Okay, this is the sink, and it has plugs. So yeah, whatever. So I just started here, so okay, so may tumira na pala dito. So medyo ano pa yun. So for next week, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix the room and how I'm gonna make it cozy. So I think that's the goal for this room, is to make it cozy. Ta-da! Okay, so bye for now.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so nandito naman pa tayo. Dahil buy one take one sa aking yoga mat. Gagamitin ko na siya muna ng pillow kasi wala pa akong pillow. Then, dahil gutom na tayo, eto na, let's eat. Chucky. Yes. Tada, Chucky. Okay, medium size milk tea for only 123 pesos. So, kanina sa Food Panda, iba yung address ko, home address from the work address. So, I had to figure out how to change the addresses. So, okay. So twice ako nag-order sa Chowking. Well, anyway, so this is it. Yeah, the chili sauce. I don't think I have the chili sauce. May spoon and fork ba? Really should I? What? Spoon and fork. Spoon and fork in one. Check. And toyo. Check. Chowpan, check. And with shaman. Ito ang pamili ko pang order. This will be order. Ta-da! Okay. So guys, stage 1 na ating pag-aayos. So, kung kanina medyo disaster siya, ngayon medyo maayos-ayos na siya. Okay, so there's only one thing that I noticed kasi bihira to. So usually, plain lang tong ano. So ito yung lababo, sa ilalim ng lababo. So maganda yung design nila rito. Bihira to guys. Today, I'm watching #Creator Camp Live featuring Jacko Dasovich, Justin Carino, and Will Dasovich. But right now, while watching, I am eating a chicken wings and rice plus a sauce. So, and plus a milk tea. It's actually 65 pesos only. So I ordered all of this from the Panda app. So here, okay. Ayun guys, so Chucky, yan, sleep lang. Relax easy, dito natin na. Yeah, actually, this is shoes. I didn't pick up the shoes. May student pork ba? Ay, hindi siya dahil. Check. Student pork in one. Check. And toyo. Check. Chopper, chokin, chopan, check. And with shower. Ito ang pamilya ko order. This will be order. Ta-da! Medium size na yung order dito, guys. Okay. Ayan, let's eat na. Checking na. Let's eat. Woo! Yay! So guys, stage 1 na ating pag-aayos. So, kung kanina medyo disaster siya, ngayon medyo maayos-ayos na siya. Okay, so there's only one thing that I noticed kasi bihira to. So usually, plain lang tong ano, yung sa sink. So ito yung lababo. So ito yung lababo, sa ilalim ng lababo. So maganda yung design nila rito. Bihira to guys. Ayan. So, kata natin yung part. So, ayan. So, I noticed that part that it's very unique because most of the time it's only plain, like, plain cement structure. So, that's it, you guys. I hope that you like this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Auf Wiedersehen!